Do you want to create this 2024 in 70 photos trend for TikTok or Instagram Reels? Then you came to the right place. 2024 is almost over, and let's learn how to create these viral videos which you can share with your friends or family members. We will be using the TikTok app in order to find our templates, and we will also need the CapCut editing app for this. CapCut is absolutely free on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, and I'm going to make sure to leave a download link in the description of this video so you can download the correct application. So if you have both apps installed on your phone, you'll want to open the TikTok application and then go over to your search bar. In here, we'll type 2024 in 70 photos template and then hit enter on your keyboard. This will give you a bunch of video results where we can see videos which have this template applied. In order to create a video like this one, we will open this video, for example, and you can see that this is the template for the trend. You'll see a little option called CapCut. Try this template, and that's exactly what we'll click on. The next step is to tap on this button called Use Template in CapCut. That will then redirect us to the CapCut editing app, where it will show us a little preview on how this template will look like. So we will then tap on the Use Template button, which will then open our photo gallery where we'll select the photos or videos which we want to use for this trend. Keep in mind that the first photo or video which we select is going to be the cover for the video, and that will last 10 seconds. Every other photo will last around 0.1 seconds. Select the photos and videos which you want to use, and then click on Next right here. Then wait a minute or two until CapCut generates our video, and that's it. When everything is finished, you're going to get the preview on how the video looks like, and if you're happy with your video, just tap on the export option at the top right corner of the screen in order to save that video into your photo gallery. Happy New Year, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.